In this video, I'm going to do heights from Google Maps. So I'm going to activate project 2 there. I'm going to go to my points menu. I'm going to say add points. If you're new to Model Maker, always do this. What am I working with? That's the left menu. What do I want to do? Takes you to the bottom menu. And each button has a tooltip on it. Just read it and it will be self-explanatory, and you could theoretically teach yourself Model Maker without any training. What am I busy with? What do I want to do? The two golden sentences. Okay. Right. So we're adding points into project. Projects are just survey surfaces. Okay. And we're going to use the grid in an area option. And that's the last snap mode. So we just make it freehand. And we just say, I want that area surveyed. Okay. It's 11 hectares. And it works out, if we position a point every 30 meters, I found with Google Maps, you can actually go down to 10 meters. With Google Earth, Google Earth interpolates every 90 meters. So anything in between is flat or interpolated based on those two 90 meters. Google Maps don't have that. It's amazing. I don't know why, but they did it. Okay, so we're going to go for Google Maps. This is what people do that don't pay land surveyors for topo surveys. Okay, record elevations using Google Maps. And if you take more than 4,000 points, you can read this, click on that button and put something in there. Okay, and then it will work. Don't phone me for that. Just read this. Okay, update elevations. Okay, it's fairly quick. They've dramatically, I think this process was improved by 20 to 30%. And it's C-search, means it's generating contours. And if I switch them on and the image off, there's a contour map of that whole area. Okay, and we can densify it. So currently it's 0.5 meter. Let's do 200 more contours. That's what it looks like. That is amazing. Okay. The only reason why it follows, you can see both of my contours are sort of on top of each other. You can see it follows it quite nicely because you can see I did my tacky. It's believable, eh? I did that tacky on Google Maps. Okay. So I'm cheating the client. Okay, don't do it. Okay. When the volume bill starts hitting you in the face, it's gonna be bad. Okay, so I don't have to tell this crowd how bad this is. Okay, so but it's nice for the rest of us. Sorry, that's that one. Sorry, that's the one I had. Okay, you can see the difference. It's just, that's too perfect. So it looks like there's something fishy going on here. See that? Okay, only a real surveyor will see that. Okay, so if your client is in this business for long, he'll also tell you, hey, that's a little bit fishy. Okay, that it is. All right. So there's a tacky from Google Maps. Any questions on how to get heights from Google Maps?